To repair a crack in your fiberglass tub, you'll first need personal protective equipment. We're going to start by drilling holes on either side of the crack. These holes are going to prevent the crack from getting even wider. This is what the two holes on either end of the crack looks like. And next we're going to use Loctite tile foam for gaps and cracks. So I'm going to use this foam to seal off the bottom of the tub. This is so that no water leaks can get under the tub and cause damage to the foundation of the house. So this is the very first step. Ideally, the foam would keep on going through the hole that you created and come up on the other side, but that never happened for me, so I just put some of the foam into both sides. So here I am putting the foam underneath the tub. You can use a little bit of water to help this product cure faster, but it doesn't take very long to cure. This product actually cures in just 1 hour. I ended up using the entire bottle of foam in this project. There was a lot of space underneath the tub, and I'm really happy that I used foam on both sides rather than stay there and wait for foam to come up through the other end, because it never did. So next you're either going to use acetone or a scraping tool to remove the top. You can use the acetone to remove the extra while it's still wet, or you can wait till you're done and use that scraping tool. Next, we're going to use 80 grit sandpaper to roughen the surface. Once it's at the right consistency, we're going to use 100% acetone to clean off all the dust and debris. We're starting to use our fiberglass resin, so we're going to use 6 spoonfuls of fiberglass resin with a 1/4 teaspoon of hardener. So while the resin is staying in this cup, we're going to cut a piece of our fiberglass cloth and put over the crack in the tub. This is what the fiberglass cloth looks like, and you just cut a small piece. And here is the hardener being mixed into the fiberglass resin. Now you have to mix this very well, and I recommend that you use plastic underneath your cup or whatever you're mixing into to prevent any spills. We're going to use a paintbrush to smoothen the resin out. We're gonna try and make this as smooth as possible, and we're brushing in an outward direction so that the resin covers the entire fiberglass cloth. This was left overnight to cure, and this is what it was like the following morning. Now, this looks like it's almost done already. Honestly, if you want to stop here, you can, because this fiberglass resin did an extremely good job. If not, you can continue and sand it a little bit and use Bondo here to complete the process. So we're using acetone again to clean the sanding dust off of the surface. So this is 100% acetone, the type that you use to remove your nail polish with. We're just going to use just a little bit of this product to clean this area. Once the area is completely clean, I'm going to go right in with the Bondo hair. And this is another repair product, but please, please use your face mask, your eye mask, and your glove with this product because it's very toxic and it could also be very challenging to work with. Looking back on the video, it was quite challenging to remove the product from the container, and I recommend that you mix it directly where you're going to use it to avoid any further challenges or stress. So the product is going directly into the tub, directly into the space where it's going to be used. And I'm using an old cutlery knife, a plastic cutlery knife. The proportion you're going to use here is 1 inch of hardener for every 2 inches of product. Here I'm going to use an old piece of cardboard to mix this together just because it is challenging to mix, and you want to use something that is disposable because this product is very toxic. Mix the products together until it's completely mixed and you can see blue all over. There's no more green left. And we're going to do the exact same thing we did with the resin, which is spread it towards the outer corners of the crack to cover the entire surface of the fiberglass. As we cover the entire surface of the fiberglass resin, it's going to begin to dry. This product only takes 2 hours to dry completely, but it was left overnight. Once this product dries completely, you're pretty much done with fixing the crack in your fiberglass tub. I do recommend that you go in with a sander and smoothen out the surface as much as possible. If you want to see how to paint a fiberglass tub, because no one wants a blue patch in the bottom of their tub, please watch the next video in this playlist. I went in with an 80 grit sandpaper block and started sanding away the rough edges. And once that was sanded off completely, I went in with a finer grit sandpaper to make it smooth. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.